Hold on. Did you know this might be the most powerful tool for making images that has ever been made in the AI industry? And when you see what it can do, you'll see why everyone is talking about it. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Amorphics, the best place to learn about AI tools and how to be creative with them. I'm excited today because we're going to learn a lot about Ideogram, the tool that's changing the way AI-generated photos look. This tool makes pictures that look like they were made by a real artist. They are very realistic, dramatic, and detailed. This video will help you learn the ideogram lesson, which will make it easy for you to make professional logos, portraits, and movie-like images. This channel is yours, not mine. Please leave your love and support in the comments section so we can all work together to build this AI community. Okay, are you ready to see what real AI strength looks like? Let's get started. So, the first thing you should do is open Google and type in Ideogram. If you click on the first link, you'll go to the official Ideogram site. You will need to sign in once you get there. If you haven't logged in yet, just go ahead with Google. It's easy and simple. The Ideogram dashboard will appear after you log in. Let's quickly go over why this tool is so popular. Ideogram is one of the best AI image creation tools because it makes images that look more real and are of higher quality than Leonardo AI. It's hard to tell the difference between AI and human-made images from Ideogram because they look so real. You can look at the pictures that other people have made on the dashboard and see how good they are for yourself. Now, let's go over the most important parts of Ideogram. Creation section. Make your own pictures with AI. This part shows all the projects you've worked on, like car designs, logos, and portraits. Canvas section. Use the built-in image editor to change and improve the pictures you make. If you sign up for a subscription plan, you can unlock more advanced options such as magic fill, extend, and background removal. Character section. This great feature lets you make one-of-a-kind AI characters for videos or designs. You can even make AI-generated, copyright-free versions of famous people like Barack Obama and Donald Trump. Profile and tokens. The free plan from Ideogram comes with 12 tokens. It takes about 0.5 tokens to make each image, so you can easily make up to 40 pictures for free. Not a bad start, right? Now let's move on to the most important part, making your own logo or image. In the Home or Creation area, you'll see a box that lets you choose the kind of picture you want to make. I can write, ultra-realistic portrait of a young man sitting by a window with warm sunlight, cinematic lighting, detailed texture, soft background blur, 8K photorealistic image, to test quality. You can make prompts like this on your own, or even better, use ChatGPT to make prompts that are as good as those made by professionals. That's what I do because ChatGPT makes clear, complete, and AI-friendly cues that Ideogram understands. After you've finished your prompt, choose how many photos you want, up to 4 for each generation. It costs 0.5 tokens for each image, so making 4 images will cost you 2 tokens in total. After that, choose the aspect ratio based on what you want to do. For videos on YouTube, 16:9, 9:16 for TikTok or Shorts, 1:1 for pictures of logos or profiles. Next, you can choose whether your picture will be realistic, graphic, 3D, cartoon, or simple. You can also pick a color scheme based on what you need for your design. Some options are yellow, purple, blue, or red. You need to upgrade to a premium plan if you want your generations to stay private. The free plan works well for public photos, though. Finally, click the Generate button, and your picture will be ready in 10 to 15 seconds. You can download it, pin it, or change it right in the Canvas editor. And the best part is that every AI face or character made in Ideogram is one of a kind and not real. You don't have to worry about copyright when you use these pictures for your YouTube channel, thumbnails, or branding. The basic plan costs $7 a month, while the Pro plan, which includes private generations and priority credits, costs $15 a month. Companies and teams that need more power can get higher plans. The price is actually pretty good for the quality you get. I made a professional pharmacy logo prompt with ChatGPT, and Ideogram gave me a result that looked like it came from a designer. A freelancer could easily charge $50 or more for something like this, but Ideogram did it in a matter of seconds. Ideogram is one of the best tools for making logos, posters, thumbnails, and characters. Just try out different prompts and settings and you'll be amazed at what you come up with. That's all for today's lesson. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. You'll get more AI and content creation tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another interesting AI topic. Goodbye and take care.